evening everyone, welcome to my blog. Ngasi ay fashion show thokani adugine ngasi si jaw feeling ngasi selise ay zu backstage ne laise. Okay, ay classmates yam sibai ma da bini sam dai ne som the main gate te som da ne ay som the side sina side gate ne sibe my drama am tori male
说过要蝌蚪买关系通啊。
怎么了？你怎么了？
Yeah, what you gonna do? Nothing. Masih excited ke program Tori?
India is a land of diversity, but there is integrity and its diversification, with diversity also descending down its dance forms. The next form imbibes various dance styles from India. The dance will traverse a journey of love, relationship, with all the nuances in it, comprising wooing, anger, repenting, and love. Ladies and gentlemen, let's rejoice together at this beautiful and delighted performance from students of IES.
What the hell are you wearing? It's awesome. You're gonna fly? Yeah. Who are you? I don't even recognize you. Who are you? Who are you? What is that? Sex toy. Oh my god! Ako ki zona ji ke no ji toy bije. Ke no api ji ke yam ti nai re ji khatang lap thole bo number ke. Yam phajare ji de ako ki cultural dress mix max upaga Gothic style ne ji ji. Ado, thank you. Ado yam nai re ma oje. Konjel yam phaja bane sinu baje. Sina stage mamang de kini. Moi Chinese ki sone ule je. KUNMING mình được xìa mỗi xây xe tao ở đâu. Mani out physium Pazare. Program Lotion Bagim Map photo capture Jose. I see you already. Maya. I'm already. Oh. Say hello to my YouTube. From Jerry to Saluka Doroga. Person so you program Lotion Gray, program no Lotion. Though I was a backstage thingy. I am worrying around into to Modre because I can see exam labor. I see exam labor na I administration no hang day. What are you doing? Kay no sila lang yung mga administration si matayam say. Exam no mita so kay New Year GALA program to sali. Exam mo di ako best ka tani ato bagi best sim tay exam mo di ako ka tani ado gini. Ado ay nga into to Modre nga siya moare to na mit no ngange. We can doing a colleague Dore. Sumai told the blog chill Senzarage. Easy. Then thank you for 10K subscriber. I give a subscriber 10K already. So, Mayam, thank you. Without you, I'm nothing. So please do subscribe my channel if you don't subscribe. And hit the notification bell. So thank you once again. Good night.
Hello, subscribe to his channel. He does really awesome vlogs, and like it too.
Thank you. Bye bye.